Hello and welcome to this live stage. In the previous live you saw that we shoveled the track, so now it's really nice. Are you a little bit excited? Because I am. Ta-da! It's the CEN. If we take a closer look, hang on, we need to go down with it. Like that. Ah, really nice. I have a very temporary mount. I just put this on the roof and I hope it's gonna last for a few laps. So yeah, wish me luck and then we will see. I'm ready, so let's start. So this is my first time driving with a CEN in this sort of way. We will see how it is. Oh, it doesn't steer a lot. And it feels quite fast. I'm also not used, of course, to being on the roof, as I usually cut the window out. And I've never tried this VTX. This is a DJI Air unit, the original version. But I'm thinking, yeah, I think it's quite nice. Maybe I can add a little bit more steering. I'm feeling maybe there is some latency or something. I'm not feeling. Ow! Did I get that in the camera? Let me find a good place to turn it. I'm gonna go into the pits backwards. It doesn't have a lot of steering. Wondering if I have changed that. Let me take a quick look. Steering. Oh yeah, you can see the steering, or maybe you can't see the steering. But it is already on 100%. There is a thing with this car, it doesn't have a lot of steering angle in the geometry. But it's still, I think it drives rather nicely, at least when there is more grip. Maybe here in these conditions you need some more to be able to turn better. Now there's a camera guy in the middle of the track. It feels a little bit slow to steer. I'm not sure if it's just me who is steering slowly because I'm not used to it, but it also feels quite fast. Maybe it's this angle. Ooh. Some nice touching in the bank there. Ooh, a little bit late. That one was quite okay. Hoping the mirrors is gonna stay on. Even though I'm leaning a lot in the snowbanks. That was a good one. Turn, yes. Change direction, yes. Good. That is good. Okay. Keep it steady. Really difficult to get it to turn in that one. But here, ooh, it's quite nice. Maybe it's a little bit narrow in that after the between the two junctions. Maybe it's unnecessarily tricky there. But it's very silent and nice. It's really a nice feeling driving this car, I think. Just need to learn how to how to not do like that. So the rear got caught in the snowbank and then it just turned the front end in as well. Which is of course very easy to do that in these conditions. I actually lost the accelerator thing there for a bit. So I'm just very gently touching it to yeah, to get the best feeling. But yeah, obviously a little bit too little is also bad when you're losing it completely. So what do you think? Should we go maybe to a different place? Nah, we can stay here. I think it's a nice place. So I need to go really, really slow in that one. Or I have to... Somehow I need to get it to turn. Oh. Which is... yeah, it's a bit of a challenge. That is rather good. Ooh, a bit close to the bank with the rear end here as well, but it's okay. Just gently get it to turn. That is good. That is good. Ooh, now it's fast. Ooh, that was nice. I was very early and nice on the braking. Ah! Just a little too late to catch that one. Otherwise it would have been a great shot. Ooh. Ah. Oh, so the recording on the roof has stopped now, I see. Why is that? I didn't ask for that.
Pit stop här.
Ah, it's really good. Oh, now we need a pit stop. Are we cleaning the bonnet? Oh, akta lacken. I'm trying some recording again now. Let's see. And also I'm not allowed to touch the banks, he said, until I get there again. Let's see how that goes. I almost made it. Try it again, maybe. I had a few nice laps just before.
It's still good.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, not anymore. Ska vi ta en till pitstop då? We can take a quick walk on the track and hopefully not leave as many shoe marks. You can see it's quite narrow here, but there is a straight line if you just get it and if you don't make some mistake. Now obviously this is in the reverse direction. We would have the car going the other way, but this turn here can be really, really nice sometimes when you get it to turn properly. Let's take a few more laps. I saw there's a lot of snow on the electronics on the roof. Maybe not the best choice, but I hope I can clean it out properly later. Ooh. Always nice when you get those. Just a little bit more of the steering, it would have been so good. And this of course doesn't have the center differential, and I think it's handling a little bit different compared to the WR8 because of that. But I think still, like I say, it's quite enjoyable, a little bit more direct sometimes. Of course you can block the diff in the WR8 as well and get a similar feeling. but I think this, with just a straight shaft, I think it has a rather efficient drive line, and it's also, yeah, it's a nice drive. Maybe not as heavy duty without the metal spur gear, but still really enjoyable. You don't want it to make a lot of noise in these conditions. It's just want that harmonious driving experience, I think. Oh, I was a bit too early in the first section there. Let's get it the next lap. Oh. That one was nice. Ah! Still, the conditions are pretty good. Like I mentioned before, it's not too big of a difference in the center of the road and in the edges, like it can be when you clean it. So difficult to get those. Maybe it's getting a little bit tired now. That I know that before I usually like to blame it on that. When the battery is getting low on power, it behaves a little bit different compared to what you're used to from all the previous laps. Ooh, a bit wide. Something is a little bit off with the feeling now. That one was still okay, I would say. I have some snow on the lens. It's not a lot. Oh. Maybe I have to stop and do some more cleaning. I can just show you how it looks. Jag kör lite cleaning här. You can see we have a lot of snow on the car and on the back where we have the electronics. Let me just step back a little bit like that. I put some connections on the roof there, on the wing. There's so much snow I can't see what I'm doing. So yeah, it has quite a lot of snow on it. Let me get a shot from the rear as well. What do you say? I think that maybe we are done for today. I still have some batteries left, so I'm gonna stop recording actually, and I'm gonna drive that, and yeah, later I'm gonna put this all together, the different cameras from the goggles as well. I hope I have some recordings in the air unit itself, so it should be quite nice, and I'm hoping it has also the sound. Unless, yeah, we'll see. Fingers crossed. And yeah, I think that's it for now, and see you next time.